Welcome back to Dream Autos, where we bring you the most underrated, unexpected, and downright insane sleeper builds. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Chevy Nova sleeper. At first glance, it looks like a classic throwback to the Nova's legendary past, but don't let that fool you. Beneath the hood, this beast is packing serious power. Let's start with the design. Chevy has done something brilliant here. The Nova's exterior remains clean, subtle, and almost vintage-inspired. No aggressive vents, no over-the-top aero, just a simple, elegant shape that pays homage to its heritage. The badging is minimal. The wheels are sleek but not flashy, and the stance, just low enough to hint at something special, but not enough to give it away. Now here's where things get interesting. Under the hood sits a twin-turbocharged 6.2L LT4 V8, borrowed straight from the Corvette 06 but tuned for even more low-end torque. We're talking about a mind-blowing 750 horsepower sent straight to the rear wheels through a beefed-up 10-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual for the purists. That's right. Chevy didn't just bring back the Nova, they brought it back the right way. On the road, this car is a wolf in sheep's clothing. The adaptive suspension makes it comfortable enough for daily driving, but the moment you put your foot down, it transforms. The turbos spool up instantly, launching this machine from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds. That's supercar territory, but in a car that looks like your uncle's old Nova sitting in the garage. The interior is another surprise. While it keeps a retro-inspired dash and simple layout, Chevy has integrated a fully digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a hidden performance mode that gives you a full telemetry readout. The seats, leather-wrapped, with just the right amount of bolstering, keeping you planted during those high-speed pulls. The best part about this sleeper Nova? It's designed to take down anything at the stoplight without looking the part. You roll up next to a flashy European supercar, and they won't even give you a second glance until you leave them in the dust. And let's talk about price. With an estimated starting price of around $55,000, the 2025 Nova Sleeper is a steal for the amount of power and performance you get. Chevy has given enthusiasts something they've been begging for: raw American muscle, wrapped in an unassuming package. So, what do you think? Would you take the Sleeper Nova over something flashier, or do you prefer cars that scream performance? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insane builds and hidden gems. This is Dream Autos, signing off. Keep chasing the dream, and we'll see you in the next one.